Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top passive income ideas for 2025. Listen, we all want financial freedom, right? And what's better than earning money while you sleep? Whether it's through affiliate marketing, online courses, or something else entirely, there are proven methods to create a sustainable income stream without being chained to a desk job. If you're looking to make money online and take control of your financial future, stay tuned. Affiliate marketing is like having an army of salespeople working for you 24/7 without the overhead costs. Imagine this. You recommend a product or service to your audience, and every time someone buys through your unique link, you get a cut of the profit. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it can be applied to virtually any niche. Whether you're passionate about fitness, finance, or fashion, there are affiliate programs out there that align with your interests. And the best part, you don't need to create your own product or handle customer service. In 2025, as more and more businesses move online, the potential for affiliate marketing will only continue to grow. So, if you're looking for a way to earn passive income, this is definitely one to consider. Are you an expert in something? Do you have valuable skills or knowledge that others would pay to learn? Then creating and selling online courses could be your ticket to passive income gold. Think about it. You create the course once, and it can generate income for years to come. With platforms like Teachable and Udemy, it's easier than ever to package your expertise into a digital product and reach a global audience. From photography to coding to personal finance, the possibilities for online courses are endless. And with the rise of e-learning showing no signs of slowing down, now is the perfect time to capitalize on this lucrative opportunity. Chapter 3. Dividend Stocks. Watch your money make money. Investing in dividend stocks is like planting a money tree in your backyard. Okay, maybe not literally, but you get the idea. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of a company that shares its profits with its shareholders. This means that you get paid simply for owning the stock, regardless of whether the stock price goes up or down in the short term. It's like getting a bonus paycheck just for being a part owner of the company. While dividend investing does require some initial capital and comes with its own set of risks, it's a proven strategy for generating passive income over the long haul. Plus, who doesn't love the idea of getting paid to do nothing? Chapter 4. Airbnb. Turn your property into a passive income machine. Have a spare room, an investment property, or even just a couch you're willing to rent out. Platforms like Airbnb have revolutionized the way we travel and created a massive opportunity for passive income. By listing your space on Airbnb, you can earn money by providing short-term rentals to travelers from around the world. And the best part is, you set the rules, manage your bookings, and control how much you want to earn. Whether you're looking to cover your mortgage, supplement your income, or build a full-time income stream, Airbnb offers a flexible and potentially lucrative way to monetize your property. Chapter 5. YouTube. Get paid to share your passion. Did you know that you can make money by simply uploading videos to YouTube? It's true. With the YouTube Partner Program, you can monetize your channel through ads, sponsorships, and even merchandise sales. The key is to create high-quality content that people actually want to watch. Find your niche, whether it's gaming, beauty, finance, or anything in between, and start creating engaging videos that provide value to your viewers. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and consistency, but it can be an incredibly rewarding way to share your passion with the world while earning passive income from your content. Start building your passive income streams today. There you have it. 5 incredibly powerful ways to generate passive income in 2025. Remember, building multiple streams of income is crucial for financial security and achieving your financial goals. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. The most important thing is to take action and start building your passive income streams today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.